Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying space and identifying the biggest folders so you know where to target cleanup. Connect the SD card to a PC or use a file manager on device. Once mounted, run a quick scan for large files and temporary caches. You should back up important photos, videos, and documents to cloud or an external drive before deleting anything. After backing up, unmount the card safely so file operations don't corrupt data. Then proceed to selective deletion. Now you tackle the detailed cleanup. Remove duplicates and app cache files and delete camera thumbnails that bloat storage. Use a duplicate finder app or manual review. Once done, move bulky media, like 4K videos or RAW photos, to cloud storage or an external drive to free significant space. Reorganize folders to prevent future waste, and check hidden system folders for logs. If files still consume too much space, make sure backups exist, then consider formatting the card to restore full capacity. To complete the fix, test the card by copying a few large files back and verifying available space and read/write speed. If the card still reports full or shows errors, format it using the device's recommended file system after confirming backups. Formatting often clears hidden corruption. Make sure to test in the original device. If problems continue, try another card reader or port. Faulty hardware can mimic full card issues, and replace the SD card if it fails tests or shows bad sectors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.